Most people download the Walmart app and only use about 10% of what it can actually do. They place an order, maybe check a price, and miss out on features that can save time, money, and frustration. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you set up the Walmart app correctly the first time, shopping becomes much faster and more convenient. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use the Walmart app for the first time in 2026, step by step, even if you've never opened it before. Let's get started. First, download the Walmart app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select Sign In or Create Account. If you're new, enter your email address, create a password, and complete the account setup process. Next, add your location. This is important because the app uses your location to show nearby stores, available products, pickup times, and delivery options. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many first-time users skip their payment setup. Go to your account settings and add a preferred payment method. This makes future purchases much faster and helps avoid checkout delays later. Once your account is ready, explore the home screen. You'll usually see categories like groceries, electronics, household items, pharmacy services, and special offers. To find something specific, use the search bar at the top. For example, if Alex needs laundry detergent, he can type the product name and instantly compare prices, brands, and availability. This is where most people fail. They don't check whether an item is available for shipping, pickup, or delivery. Before adding products to your cart, look at the fulfillment options shown on the product page. But here's the problem. Not every item qualifies for the same service. Some products may be available only for shipping, while others may be eligible for same-day pickup or local delivery. In a minute, I'll show you one feature that many Walmart shoppers completely overlook. After adding items to your cart, proceed to checkout. Review your order, choose shipping, pickup, or delivery, then confirm your payment information and place the order. Now for that overlooked feature. The Walmart app can help you locate products inside certain stores. If supported at your location, the app may show aisle information, helping you find products faster when shopping in person. Another useful feature is order tracking. After placing an order, you can monitor status updates directly in the app without needing emails or customer support. So for first-time Walmart app users in 2026, the process is simple. Create an account, set your location, add payment details, search for products, choose your preferred fulfillment method, and track orders directly from the app. You now know how to use the Walmart app with confidence from day one. If this guide helped you, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, shopping tutorials, and money-saving guides.